Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really exciting video for y'all. I have the Kylie Valentine's Day palette! Okay, so first impressions. This is going to be a first impressions video. I haven't opened it. Look at this packaging. It's like little bras. How cute is that? Ooh, that's adorable. And then on the back you have the shade names and the ingredients list. And it says this is good for 24 months. Oh my god, the packaging on the inside is underwear. That is adorable. This is like some of my favorite packaging she's done. So this feels really heavy. It feels heavier than her previous palettes. Her previous like special collection palettes. So it says Kylie, but my camera's not picking up on that, but it says Kylie in glossy letters. Then, if we lift it up, it does have a plastic protector sheet and the palette. Let's get some swatches before we do anything else. Alright, now let's get into the look I want to do with this palette. I want to take Candy Heart with a K and take that into the crease. Pigment kind of like washes away. Take that same brush and dip into the shade First Date and deepen up the outer edge. Next, I'm going to cut the crease using Fenty Concealer. I'm not going all the way out. Kind of creating a baby eyelid within my eyelid. Now I'm going to take the other side of that brush, wet it, make sure that brush is nice and wet, and then pick up some Romance, which is this shade right above Candy Heart. I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and just kind of blend that edge of the cut crease in a little bit. Now I'm going to take a blending brush with absolutely nothing on it and just go around the edges. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Heartthrob and highlight under the brow bone. And then I'm going to take some Heartthrob on my finger and place it in the center of the lid. And I'm also going to take some more Heartthrob and put it in the inner corners. Alright, so I just put some lashes and mascara on, and this is what the eyes look like. For the rest of the face, it's only right to use some more Kylie products. So let's take a bronzer in Khaki. Kind of take a more dense brush and almost contour a little bit. Then take it down and just warm up the jaw. Now let's take some blush. This is Kylie's Pink Power. Let's highlight. I'm taking some Ice Me Out. Take High Maintenance. I'm not going to line my lips because I'm just feeling lazy. Okay, and that's the finished look. Alright, so my final thoughts on the palette is that the mattes in here are amazing. I really had a really easy time blending them out. They did this a little bit of pigmentation, but keep in mind I only used 3 shades out of this palette. They swatched really beautifully, and a lot of people said that these metallics weren't incredibly foiled, and the truth is they aren't, but they're very shiny in like a not as foiled way. They're more like a, kind of like a highlighter almost kind of shine. And I ended up really liking it on my eyes, so let me zoom out a little bit. I ended up really liking this palette. I think it turned out beautifully. It was so easy to use. So this palette gets an A+ for me. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. And leave your comments down below about this palette. Tell me what you think. Okay, bye.